Is bigger really better? That's been a question for years. Today we are taking a Yamaha T7 Tenere 700 and replacing the factory AGM battery with a Tusk Lithium battery. You can tell just by the weight there's a difference here. Let's check out rest of it. The original Tenere 700 battery is a AGM and the part number is a YTZ 10S. Gonna do the weight on it and see what this one weighs. Got a little glare on it, but it's 6 pounds, 13.6 ounces. 6 pounds, 13.6 ounces. You're saving approximately 4 pounds, maybe just a little over 4 pounds by installing the Tusk Lithium Pro battery. As you can see, there is a sizable difference here. And Tusk gives you foam inserts to make up the difference on the difference of how big it is in the battery tray. But as you can see, there's quite a bit of difference on the sizes of these batteries. So let's get the foam installed and let's see what we got on there. This battery here, the factory battery, is approximately 3 years old, and it's got to the point it's getting real sluggish to start, so I was going to replace it. This one here was right around $129 for the factory Yamaha one through Rocky Mountain, and the Tusk was the lithium was right at the same price, so I decided to try the lithium battery. I've had a lithium battery in the past on a different bike, and I really like the lithium battery. It lasted for about 5 years, and it always started real good. And I like this too. It's got a test light on here where you can just push it and see that it's fully charged there. So that's another thing I like about this battery. When you open up the box, they give you all kind of different foam inserts to put in your battery box. They got stick on. You just peel off the back and stick them on. There's all kind of variety of sizes to get it just like you want in your battery box. It also comes with bolts that go in the battery. Here's my battery box. I'm going to see which one's going to fit in there best. You've got a strap on here to strap the battery down. Like I say, this is a Yamaha Tenere 700. And let's get those inserts in there and see what we can do on getting this battery installed. We've got the battery all installed on the Tenere 700. We did put some foam right here in the front of it. We put just a little bit on the side. And one right there. What I like about this is your battery terminals, you can put one in right there, right here, or it's got one on the back side too. Makes it real handy when you have other accessories. I've got a few other accessories hooked up to my battery, so that works really well. Fires it right up. I'm really impressed with this little Tusk battery. As small as it is, I was a little bit worried if it was going to be able to crank it over as quick as it did, and yeah, it cranks over a lot quicker than what my original battery ever did. If you're replacing your battery on your Tenere 700, the YT710S, it's real easy to replace with this Tusk battery, the TLFP-14BR. I just looked it up on Rocky Mountain, and it's got a guide you can go by and just put in what year bike and everything you got, and it'll tell you exactly what battery to use. So if you're looking at getting a new battery, I would really look at this Tusk Lithium battery. Now, one thing you do got to take in mind is whenever if you got to charge this battery, you got to have a lithium charger to be able to charge these batteries. You can't charge it with the regular AGM battery charger. So if you do get one of these, make sure you do have a lithium battery charger for the lithium batteries.